Yes, hello everyone. Let me do the unboxing dance. I mean, you know how it feels when you have a new package waiting at your door and you're about to open it and you have to do the happy dance. So that's what I'm doing right now. So yes, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about this video because it's another unboxing video, like you can imagine. And just by the title of the video, you already know the bag that I'm going to be unboxing today. And this bag is by Tory Burch. So stay with me and let's enjoy this unboxing together. So yes, the bag actually came in this box, and the name of the bag is the Chevron top handle bag. So that's what this bag is. So it comes like so in the box. So this is an envelope that has the receipt, and this is another thank you note on the envelope that covers the bag up. And if you open up the envelope, the bag is just right there. So ta-da-da-da-dam. I'm just gonna bring the bag out of the box. Sorry about the noise. So here is the bag in all its entirety. So it comes this way. On this side it states the style number and what else, and the size is small and the color is red stone. And yeah, so unveiling it, this is what it looks like. It comes with all these wraps on it. So I'm just gonna take out the wraps just so we can all see what this pretty queen looks like. So yeah, it is a top handle bag, so you can see what the top handle looks like. I love top handle bags, but the funny thing is I actually don't have a lot of top handle bags. I'm just beginning to gravitate towards top handle bags. So I actually got this bag because, I mean, just a little bit of background, I got it because I need a red bag. So I'm in need of a red bag that serves multiple purposes. So I need something that I can actually dress up or dress down. So that was the reason why I got this bag. I had high for other bags while I bought this one, but I actually went ahead to buy this one because this one actually fits that purpose better. So yeah, this is what this bag looks like. It has a pocket at the back right here, and I think should fit like it's a kind of a type of phone. It won't fit my phone. I have an iPhone X. I don't think it's gonna an iPhone XR. I don't think it's gonna fit my iPhone, but it can fit maybe a card or something. And I probably would not even put anything bulky in it because just by dipping my hand into it, it's beginning to take the shape of my hand, you know. So I probably would not even put anything at the back of this bag. So let's jump right into the bag itself. It is a, let me see, all right, it is a turn lock closure. So it's not a lift off closure, it's actually a turn lock closure. So you'd have to turn the lock to open it up. So I'm gonna remove this out. So this is the lock, like if you need to close it up, and in it has like all sort of things. Oh no, I take that back. It actually has a dust bag. I am so sorry, Tory Burch. It has a dust bag, which is cute. This is the first, because I have a couple of other Tory Burch bags, purses and bags that doesn't come with the dust bag, but this one actually has a dust bag. So yes, I'm actually getting my money's worth now. I feel good about that. So yeah, it comes with a dust bag and a lot of paper stuffing in it, and the strap. I'm just gonna go right into the strap actually, because I would like to put the strap on it so you can, I mean, we can all see together like what it looks like with a strap. Ooh, wait a minute. I had no idea. Wait a minute. Okay. So now I'm just ripping off this part. Oh, so I think you can actually, oh wow, this is so cute. Do you know, I remember that I actually saw this strap on it in the picture, but I totally forgot about it. So this is how it's actually gonna look like. So this is like it's not a handle, it's actually a design on the bag. So this is what it's gonna look like, you know, if you're carrying the top handle with the design falling, with the chain design falling on it. This is what it's gonna look like, and it's so pretty. What do you think? I mean, I love it a lot already. So this is the strap, which is separate from this chain. So I'm just gonna open it up. Ow, that was hard. savage. So yeah, ooh, my hands are hurting. I'm just gonna place this down to unwrap the strap. So I'm just putting it on my legs like so. Yeah, so it has a leather strap all through. There are some Tory Burch bags that has like half leather, half chain, but this one is leather all through strap, and it is adjustable. Just FYI, it is adjustable, which is nice. So I don't know how much I usually put. If for an adjustable strap, I usually use the last hole, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. So right now I'm trying to change the hole to the last one. Ooh, it's a lot of covering and all that, so I'm changing the hole to the last one is what I'm doing right now. It's not so easy. It comes with how many holes? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. But one thing I just noticed is the hole that it comes in by default is already looking damaged, is what I'm just noticing. But I think it's not that let me see, it's not so bad. I can always do something to put it back in place, but I personally will be using this last hole like mostly because I love my bags to be as long as possible. So I'm just gonna hook. I love the color of the hardware on the strap. It has the same color of the design as well, so it's like brownish gold. Should I say brownish gold now, or golden gold? I don't know what to call it, but it's not like yellow gold, like shiny gold. It's not a shiny gold. So just fixing the first strap on this side and the second strap on this side. I'm gonna be showing you what it looks like on me in a little bit. I'm just trying to fix all the parts on it. So yeah, so this is what it looks like with the strap. I'm gonna be wearing it to show you what it looks like. So this is the bag again. It comes with the purse at the back. It doesn't have any foot, just FYI. So it has plain bottom, and into it has like 3 compartments, 1 2 and 3. All these are paper, like they are nothing else but paper, just to keep the shape of the bag. And in one of the compartments it has like a zip pocket at the back, and it's actually roomy, like it can fit a lot. Then at the front of the same middle compartment, it has like other pockets as well that you can use for cards, for phones, however you like. Like it has a lot of pockets is one thing I see about this bag. And the interior is beige, like it's not white, it's like beige, you know. And it has the Tory Burch logo at the back and this compartment as well. So yeah, I mean, you can see why it is bulky. It's because it has a lot of room in it, and I love this bag. I did a lot of research before I decided to go for this one. I was looking for a red bag that wasn't so pricey, but yet that would still be, you know, classic looking. It reminds me of one of Chanel's bag in the size medium. It reminds me of that bag. I cannot afford that one, so I decided to go for this one because it fits what I'm looking for. I was looking for something that I can wear casually and I can dress up as well. So maybe on days when I want to dress it up, I'll keep the chain out, but on days when I want to dress it down, like wear it casually, I'll keep the chain inside, is what I'm going to do. So now I'm gonna back up my camera a little bit to show you what it looks like on me. So yeah, this is the bag. I love it already. I can't wait to rock it. So let me try it on for you to see. All right, so I am 5'7", and it is like so long. Like it is so long. I think I'm gonna reconsider and put it on the hole that is before the last one, so it can come up a little bit, because it's like so long and it goes all the way down. So if you're a tall person, this bag would actually work for you because the strap is really long. And like I mentioned earlier, it is adjustable, so even if you're not as tall as I am, you can always adjust it as such. And in fact, if I want it to sit just right on my hip, it can actually be possible as well. Like I can make that happen. So you can wear it this way on your shoulder. You can wear it top handle, of course, because it's a top handle bag. The only thing I see about this bag is you would always have to hold it in place before you can lock it. Like, it's not so easy to lock, you know. So yeah, it's a turn lock, so you always have to hold it to lock it, which is fine. I mean, yeah. So when it crossbody, it sits right there, which I love as well. Like, it's so cute. And yeah, I want to take out the chain again to show you with the chain out. And yep, the hole is big enough to be on your wrist like this, but not big enough to go on your shoulder, just FYI. But yeah, so this is what this little beauty looks like. This is a closer look. Yeah, I just got it in the mail, and I thought I should come up here to unbox it with you guys in case you have been eyeing this bag as well. And this is from Tory Burch, and it is $498 without tax. Like I mentioned earlier, I needed a red bag that could serve multiple purpose, you know. So, and I went ahead, I bought this one. So this is what this bag looks like. If you have any question in particular about this bag, like if you want me to show you anything else, if you want to know more about it, like if you want to see anything closer, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And as usual, I will be back after I've worn it for a while to let you know how it has held up and how I love it. So before I end this video, I would like to say thank you for watching the video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up as well to encourage me. So thank you so much again for watching. See you next time. Remain blessed. Peace.